Hey guys, I'm going to be putting this iPhone 5S in the washer. Logan said I should, so I got this towel and I got this 5S. And I'm going to wrap the 5S in the towel probably. I'm going to put it in the little washer because I'm afraid that if I put it in the big washer, it's going to start denting it up. But hopefully this doesn't end up like the iPod where it straight up, destroyed the iPod, but what happened to it? Let's look. So first, these sides are pretty busted up. If you looked closely, this thing was pretty much mint before, and looks like my rag is falling apart, but wow, those sides are busted up. I'm surprised the screen is not destroyed on this. Okay. No immediate power, even though it used to power on immediately, but it still powers on. No way. It goes directly to iTunes Restore, which it did before. There is water all in the screen for obvious reasons, but wow. It still turns on. Let's see if it immediately turns off. Yep. Okay, so we see a lot more scratching in the corner right there. And flip it over. Good bit more damage there, but overall, nothing too bad. This phone is still in, I guess, acceptable condition, even though it's not mint anymore. So, let's plug it in again. And it still works. Even after being in the wash twice, it still works, and it's doing more than it did before now. I wonder if it'll still work overnight. Wow.